The quickest and easiest way to make oolong tea at home. During the working day, I'm often in a rush between various tasks and meetings, so I want to be as quick and efficient as possible when making oolong tea without affecting the health benefits or the taste. I'll go through the steps with you in this video. What you'll need is oolong tea, of course, preferably loose leaf, a tea infuser and a cup, a holding cup, and hot water, not boiling. Oolong tea is a very delicate tea, so it's important that it's hot rather than boiling. Firstly, we need to clean the tea. Boil the kettle to 95 degrees, so in other words, just before boiling, and add 1 tablespoon of oolong tea into the infuser over the holding cup. Pour the water over the tea to clean it, and then once you're done, pour the water in the holding cup down the sink. Next, put the infuser into the cup and pour the 95 degree water into the infuser. Steep for 2 to 3 minutes. If you want it a little bit stronger, then add more tea rather than increasing the steeping time. If you increase the steeping time too much, you can give the tea quite a bitter taste. After 2 to 3 minutes is up, take the infuser, put it over the holding cup to catch any drips and also save the tea for later. Enjoy. Once you're done with the first cup, you can move the infuser back, across and make yourself another cup. This saves you from having to make a fresh batch each time. High quality oolong tea can be steeped up to 5 times, with each time giving you a slightly different flavour profile. So there we have it, a quick and efficient way to make oolong tea at home. Now that you know this, it's important you also understand how to maximise the health benefits of oolong tea. In this video, I'll explain the best ways to maximise the health benefits from every cup. Be sure to check it out.